Start your day with this calming meditation to bring peace and positivity into your life. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Good morning, LuSHiners. Each morning is a precious gift, setting the tone for our entire day. The thoughts we entertain upon waking can greatly influence how we experience the hours ahead. So, let's take a moment now to practice a morning meditation together, cultivating a sense of peace and joy to carry us through the day. Find a comfortable position to sit, whether it's cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with both feet planted firmly on the ground. Sit up straight but relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, then exhale gently. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to flow naturally and effortlessly. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in the freshness of the morning air, picturing pure revitalizing energy entering your body from the universe. Visualize this energy filling your lungs, nourishing every cell in your body with its healing power. And as you exhale, release any tension or fatigue that may have accumulated during the night. Feel the weight of stress and worry lift from your shoulders with each breath, leaving you feeling light and free. With each breath, let go of any worries or stress. Allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Feel a sense of calm and tranquility wash over you as you sink deeper into relaxation. Now, continue to breathe deeply and slowly, focusing your attention on different parts of your body. Start with your head and neck, allowing them to relax and soften with each breath. Feel the tension melting away as you bring awareness to your forehead, eyes, nose, and mouth. Move down to your shoulders, giving them a gentle roll to release any tightness or stiffness. Let your arms settle naturally at your sides, allowing them to soften and relax. Feel a sense of ease as they find their natural position, supporting you in this moment of stillness and peace. Now, bring your awareness to your hands and fingers. Notice the warmth and gentle sensation of life coursing through them. Feel a sense of vitality and presence as you connect with this part of your body. Imagine each cell in your body awakening and coming alive with vitality and strength. Bring your attention to your chest and abdomen, noticing the rise and fall of your breath as you continue to inhale and exhale. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, steady and strong, reminding you of the incredible gift of life pulsing through your veins. Take a moment to express gratitude for your body, for all that it does for you each and every day. Thank you. Thank your heart for beating, your lungs for breathing, your muscles for moving. Thank you. Appreciate the miracle of your existence, knowing that you are an amazing part of this vast and wondrous universe. Thank you. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize yourself moving through the day with ease and grace. See yourself accomplishing your goals, interacting with others with kindness and compassion, and finding moments of joy and beauty in even the simplest of tasks. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling grounded and centered in your body. Take one final deep breath, filling your lungs with air and your heart with gratitude. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the world around you, carrying with you the sense of peace and serenity you've cultivated through this practice. Remember that you can come back to this place of stillness and calm whenever you need to throughout the day. May your day be filled with love, joy, and abundance. Blessings to you all. Thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.